I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Screen Unknown Senders feature on your iPhone or iPad. With the latest updates to iOS, Apple has made it much easier to separate messages from your friends and family from those sent by unknown numbers, including those that might contain suspicious links or spam. Before your iPhone or iPad can start sorting these messages, you need to turn the feature on in your settings by doing the following. Step 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap Filter icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Tap Manage Filtering at the bottom of the menu. This will take you directly to your Messages settings. Step 4. Toggle on the switch next to Screen Unknown Senders. Once this is active, any message from a number not saved in your contacts will be automatically filtered into a separate folder. Now that filtering is enabled, your inbox will be organized into specific categories. Step 1. In the Messages app, tap the Filters button in the top left or top right corner depending on your view. Step 2. You will now see several folders. Known Senders. This contains messages from your contacts and people you've replied to. Unknown Senders. This is where messages from new numbers live. These messages will show a badge notification, but they won't trigger a sound or vibration alert. Spam. Suspected marketing and phishing attempts are automatically moved here, and any links inside these messages are disabled for your safety. If you find a legitimate message in your Unknown Senders folder, you can easily move it to your main inbox by doing the following. Step 1. Open the Unknown Senders folder and tap the message you want to keep. Step 2. Tap Mark as Known at the top of the conversation. Alternatively, you can tap the sender's number and select Create New Contact. Once you do this, all future messages from this person will trigger normal notifications and appear in your primary messages list. And finally, a quick tip. Apple has included a smart 1-hour pass for time-sensitive messages. If an unknown sender, like a delivery service or a website, sends you a verification code or an order update, your iPhone will recognize the importance of that message and keep it in your main inbox for exactly 1 hour. If you don't interact with it by then, it will be moved to the appropriate subfolder to keep your inbox clean. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.